got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another episode. Today we are finally going out to the races. We've been waiting for this moment for a while. Josh's hatch is tuned, ready to go. So we're gonna head out there. I also have Alyssa's car. There's Alyssa right there. Say hi. I have her hatch with me. It's having some issues, so I'm gonna be driving it, and she'll be our cameraman, and Josh will be the wheelman. So let's go ahead and get out there. To the first meet spot, and it is already shut down, so I'm sure we'll find another place to go. Won't be too far away. Just name of the game.
Alright guys, so we made it here to the second spot. We had some little racings going on. We got Mr. Sauce over there coming up.
Alright, so I broke down on the side of the road. The throttle cable popped off, so I had to just adjust it with my fingers. And I'm here. Let's go walk around, bro. See the cars. So this place didn't last very long. Now we're gonna go ahead and go to the next spot. Let's see where it is.
Y'all want some big races tonight or what? That's like 2 people. Fuck that. Say it again. Alright, we're gonna do another cruise. Anybody that wants to go?
Let's go. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and call it a night here. The hatch started overheating, was just doing too many boost things, you know what I mean? So we let it cool down. We're gonna go ahead and call it a night. We definitely got some races in, had some fun time with some friends, so couldn't ask for anything better. But that's gonna be it.
Go ahead and like and subscribe. See you guys next time.
Peace.
Got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.